Hi, second grade. Today, this will be a quick video just reviewing pronouns that we talked about the other day on Zoom. So what is a pronoun? Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. We use pronouns in our writing so that we do not sound repetitive, which means we don't say the same thing again and again and again. Remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, animal. So pronouns are taking the place of a noun. For example, we use singular pronouns to take the place of singular nouns. Remember, that means it's describing just one. So some singular pronouns are I, me, you, he, she, him, her, and it. What do you notice about I? Yes, it's capitalized. When we write I by itself, we never write it lowercase. It always has to be capitalized. And then plural pronouns take the place of plural nouns, having two or more. We, they, them, us. And one that's not on here that we use often is our. Now here are some more examples. Instead of saying Mrs. Griffith, we could say she. Instead of saying dad, we could say he. Instead of children, we could say they. Remember, children is plural, more than one, so we would say they because that is a plural pronoun. Instead of cat, we could say it, although I know many people would use the words he or she for their pets. I know I do when I talk about Mocha. Instead of teachers, if I was saying it and I was talking about myself and Mrs. McRoberts, I would say we. But if you guys were talking about teachers, you could say they. Instead of mom, her. Instead of boy, him. And instead of grandma, she. Those are some examples of how the words that we can use to replace the nouns. All right, time for you to practice this. In your reader's notebook, this is the one that has the turtle on the cover. It's the newer one. We're on page 2. We're on page 2. It says naming the pronouns. The subject of a sentence tells the person or thing that does the action of the verb. A pronoun can take the place of this noun. For example, Greg is sick at home. Greg is the subject. That's who this is about. So we can change his name and put he as our pronoun. He is sick at home. So think about which pronoun can take the place of the noun or nouns in the subject of the sentence. For these 5 sentences, read the sentence and then write the pronoun that can take the place of the underlined subject. So these words, what can take the place of those words? Use this word box to help you. Write them on the lines. When you finish, turn in a picture on Seesaw. Thank you.